Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online business with Adobe detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the current security measures in place for your online business. Identify the specific Adobe tools you will be using, such as Adobe Document Cloud or Adobe Acrobat. Create a strong password for your Adobe account to ensure unauthorized access is prevented. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Regularly update your Adobe software to the latest version to protect against vulnerabilities. Set user permissions carefully if you have a team accessing shared documents or files. Utilize Adobe Sign for secure document signing, ensuring legality and integrity. Encrypt sensitive documents within Adobe Acrobat to protect confidential information. Use the Adobe PDF services for secure document sharing and collaboration. Be cautious with links and attachments, especially when receiving documents from external sources. Educate your team about phishing attacks and how to recognize fraudulent communications. Regularly back up critical business data using Adobe's cloud services. Conduct periodic security audits to assess potential weaknesses in your online presence. Utilize Adobe's customer support resources for any security-related concerns or questions. Stay informed about security updates from Adobe and industry best practices. Implement a comprehensive security policy for your online business that incorporates all tools and practices. Always monitor user activity and document access to detect any suspicious behavior promptly. Finally, foster a culture of security awareness among your employees to enhance overall business security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.